So we're gonna talk a little bit about our daily protein intake and the little tricks that we use to make sure that we hit our calories and our protein every single day without missing. Let's start with how many calories and how much protein you're eating every single day right now.
I'm eating 160 grams of protein every day while pregnant, and I'm averaging 2,300 calories every day.
Show your belly. Look at this beautiful belly. For her, obviously, she needs to be in a calorie surplus. She has to be putting on weight because she has a baby growing inside. Real bodybuilding right there. On the other hand, I'm on maintenance calories. I eat around 3,300, 3,400 calories. I eat 250 grams of protein, around 450 grams of carbs, and the rest of the calories in my fats. What's this meal that you're having right now?
This is called protein granola. This is called protein granola fruit.
Protein granola fruit?
Granola.
And how many calories does this plate have?
552 calories. Protein, this has 22 grams and 69 carbs and 21 fats. It has pears, kiwi, and mango. And I top it off with a vegan yogurt that is coconut and probiotics. And this high protein granola, which is the same brand that this protein bar, which I also eat on the side to make a total of 35 grams of protein for the whole thing.
So that's one little trick that you can use to eat more protein. You can have either a protein bar or a protein shake. If your main plate doesn't have enough protein, you can always supplement it with a protein bar or a protein powder. On the other hand, what I have right here is a combination of vegetables, air-fried potatoes, tofu, and seitan. I have been eating this meal for 3 or 4 years probably. One, because I love it, because the air-fried potatoes are delicious. I love the combination of the seitan and the tofu. I love the vegetables. 2, because it's incredibly easy.
Thank goodness, because I'm the one cooking this meal. So yeah, it's not that I have to make a whole show to make this food. It's really, really easy.
Yeah, so and that leads me to the other point. Keep your meals very simple, because the more complicated your meals are, the more complicated it's going to be for you to make them and for you to stick to them. Making this meal takes very little time. We can meal prep it easily. We can heat it up easily. And it's just a very simple and delicious way to stick to our macros, to our calories, and to our protein intake. Another little trick that I use to flavor things up is have a hot sauce on the side. And this is a very low calorie hot sauce. It just has some Mexican chiles, some tomatoes, some onions, and some garlic. We have a special way to make it. We roast everything and then we put it in a blender. But what I do with this hot sauce is I pour it on top of my tofu seitan and potatoes like that, because I love hot sauce. And then it just adds a lot of flavor to the plate and it makes the meal even more interesting without adding a lot of calories. One other thing you can do if you get a little bit tired of the flavor, you can swap out the potatoes for rice. You can change the flavor of the hot sauce.
Or the veggies, you can switch the veggies. Instead of eating broccoli, you can be eating more asparagus or spinach, whatever you want.
Yeah, so those are very little tricks that you can use to add some variety without making a completely different meal, and you still keep the proteins the same, which is key in our meal plan.
So as you can see, both our meals are super easy. This is just chopping some delicious fruit, putting the yogurt on top, and sprinkling the granola. That's it. And for Julian, it's the same, putting all the ingredients together.
Yep.
And we're ready to eat.
Yeah, and if you look at my channel, I always preach for simplicity, because when you keep it simple, it's easy to stick to. And when you can stick to your plan, then you win. If you want some resources to help you crush your fitness goals, check out the description. There's a bunch of stuff there that's going to be really helpful. And if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, there's also a link right there that you can check out. Till the next one, see you soon.